Is your Victrola record player refusing to power on? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many Victrola owners encounter power-related problems, but most can be resolved with a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, ensure the unit is properly connected to a functioning power outlet. Test the outlet with another device to confirm it's providing power. Next, inspect the Victrola's power adapter for any signs of damage, such as frayed wires or a loose connection. A faulty power adapter is a common culprit behind power failures. For vintage models or those directly connected to wall power, verify the voltage compatibility, such as 110 volts versus 220 volts. A voltage mismatch can prevent the unit from powering on or even damage it. If using an extension cord or power strip, ensure it's functioning correctly and providing sufficient power. These can sometimes fail or overload, causing power issues. Finally, if your Victrola has a detachable power cord, try reseating it firmly into both the player and the power outlet. Intermittent connections can often cause power failures. These basic checks address the most frequent causes of no power scenarios. If basic power checks don't resolve the issue, examine the power button for visible damage or accumulated debris. Dust, sticky residue, or oxidation can prevent proper electrical contact within the switch mechanism. To clean the power button, use a cotton swab lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol. Gently wipe around the button edges and in any crevices. Allow the area to dry completely before testing power. This removes conductive residue that could short the switch. If the unit still doesn't power on after cleaning the button, check the internal fuse. Victrola models include fuses to protect against power surges and voltage spikes. If the fuse appears damaged, replace it with an identical fuse of the same amperage rating. Use a multimeter to verify voltage readings before and after replacement. For newer Bluetooth-enabled Victrola models, power issues may stem from software bugs. Check for firmware updates through the Victrola mobile app to resolve potential malfunctions. Vintage Victrola models may have issues with aging capacitors or corroded electrical contacts. Schematics for these repairs can be found on open-source platforms like GitHub for DIY restoration. If all troubleshooting steps fail, consult a professional audio technician. They can diagnose complex electrical issues that require specialized equipment. Always unplug the record player before attempting any internal repairs to prevent electrical shock.